So these are the visuals accompanied by UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami. All smiles for Yogi Adityanath because both of them, both Rajnath Singh and Yogi Adityanath are sons of the soil from Uttar Pradesh. Rajnath Singh has earlier, of course, also represented Ghaziabad. But there is another connect that Rajnath Singh has to Gorakhpur. From the Gorakhpur University, Rajnath Singh has studied as well before he made an early entry into politics. So, of course, as a defense minister today, he will, of course, be representing Lucknow again. But it's a constituency that he wants to mark as much for the tradition and culture, but also for now the development that has come to Lucknow. Also adding, remember, we are told that the BrahMos missile manufacturing unit is to be set up in Lucknow. So that is the representation. And there we have it, to the returning officer, Rajnath Singh, accompanied by the top leadership of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. That was a roadshow that had earlier happened in just about at least an hour of that show of strength. Samarth Srivastav getting us the latest on that. Samarth, finally the roadshow has come to an end and the official procedure that lasts for a few minutes. The form has been submitted, approval taken, pictures clicked. But clearly an important moment for Rajnath Singh, isn't it? 72 years of age, veteran of the BJP.
Well, obviously, it's a show of strength by the BJP, and we are seeing the visuals how Rajnath Singh, accompanied by UP CM Yogi Adityanath and UK CM Pushkar Dhami, filing nomination inside the collectorate office, and we are also hearing the voices of dhol, nagaras, which we saw throughout the 30-minute long roadshow, which began from the BJP office near Vidhan Sabha to that collectorate in the Halwasia near Hazratganj Road, and the workers of the BJP are fully enthusiastic with this particular update that Rajnath Singh is in their city, because it is not the one thing that Rajnath Singh is one neta, is one leader who keeps on coming Lucknow. And if you talk about that particular roadshow, the Rath also had the developmental works which were done under Rajnath Singh as an MP, be it the outer ring road, be it the parks, the gyms in the parks, various other developmental works that happened in Lucknow. While on the other hand, from Samajwadi Party, it's Ravidas Malhotra who will be filing nomination papers on May 1. But what BJP has shown from Lucknow is very crucial, because we saw the Chief Minister, the Deputy CMs, even the Uttarakhand CM, Pushkar Dhami right here. While if you talk about Amethi, it's Smriti Irani, not alone. CM of MP Mohan Yadav is also right there. And what we saw in Manpuri during the Jaiveer Singh nomination, Mohan Yadav, the MP CM, was right there. So BJP wants to make every nomination as a show of strength, be it in Manpuri, be it in Amethi or Kannauj, or this time in Lucknow. And Rajnath Singh obviously is a very big name in the politics of UP, because he has been associated from Lucknow. He has won Lucknow when there was air of Bahujan Samaj Party and Samajwadi Party under Mayawati and Mulayam Singh Yadav. In that tenure, even Rajnath Singh maintained his political stigma, and that has continued in Lucknow for long. So that has been the thing for Rajnath Singh. And when BJP is in rule under Yogi government, so this time it seems very easy passage for the BJP. That's what Suresh Khanna, the UP minister, claims, that there is no fight when it comes to Lucknow. But if you see the visuals out here, I'll try to come across this particular area. You may check the visuals right here, that the barricades have been put, the wooden barricades have been put right here. And also, this is a portion which takes you to the collectorate office, and clearly there are a lot of BJP workers right there, the vehicles of those who have been with the BJP. I'll ask some of them, आज राजनाथ सिंह का नॉमिनेशन है, आप लोग कितना खुश हैं इस बात को लेकर?
राजनाथ सिंह के नॉमिनेशन को लेकर हम लोग बहुत खुश हैं, और इस खुशी का आगाज आपको देख सकते हैं कि जो जन सैलाब उनके नामांकन में उमड़ा है, ये एक मैसेज दे रहा है कि हम लोग लखनऊ लोकसभा में 5 लाख पार कर रहे हैं।
सपा से लड़ाई है?
सपा से लड़ाई क्या, आज ये नामांकन में आपने देख लिया होगा कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के सभी कार्यकर्ता माननीय सांसद जी को इतना पसंद करते हैं कि इनसे लगाओ न धूप न गर्मी, सिर्फ भारतीय जनता पार्टी, माननीय मोदी जी, योगी जी के संरक्षक में पूरी भारतीय जनता पार्टी भारी मतों से विजयी।
यहाँ राजनाथ सिंह है, अमेठी में स्मृति ईरानी नॉमिनेशन कर रही है।
जी और अच्छा, वहाँ भी जीतेंगे, यहाँ भी जीतेंगे।
राजनाथ सिंह का क्या लगाव है लखनऊ से जो इतना आप लोग उमड़े हैं?
लखनऊ पूरे लखनऊ से लगाव है, मान्य दिल से जुड़ा है, हाथ से नहीं 93 से जुड़ा है।
आपकी बार लग की तरह पूरा लखनऊ उनके एक परिवार की तरह। आपकी बार लग
माननीय सांसद जी का ये परिवार है लखनऊ। इन्होंने सदैव लखनऊ को अपने घर की तरह समझा और सभी कार्यकर्ताओं को, सभी लोगों
कहते हैं कि मायावती और मुलायम सिंह के दौर में भी राजनाथ सिंह ने लखनऊ को नहीं छोड़ा।
नहीं,
ऐसा नहीं है।
नहीं छोड़ा, नहीं छोड़ा।
हाँ, बिल्कुल नहीं छोड़ा, बिल्कुल है। और लखनऊ को हमेशा निरंतर कार्य करते
क्या कहेंगे, क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद जीशान खान है।
क्यों आए हैं यहाँ पे?
क्या राजनाथ जी के नामांकन में आए हैं।
हर तबके से आदमी आज आया है, क्या रीजन ऐसा है?
राजनाथ जी में अटल जी की छवि दिखती है और मुसलमान उनके साथ है पूरी तरह से। लखनऊ का मुसलमान उनको वोट करता है, अटल जी को जिस तरह से वोट करता था उसी तरह राजनाथ जी को भी वोट करता है।
राजनाथ जी ने क्या काम किए लखनऊ के लिए?
पुराने लखनऊ में चले जाइए, जितने फ्लाईओवर, जितनी रोडें, नालियाँ और जो है पानी की टंकियाँ जितनी उन्हीं ने लगवा दी, आज तक किसी ने नहीं करा।
आपका वोट इंडिया अलायंस को नहीं जाएगा?
नहीं, मेरा बिल्कुल नहीं जाएगा। मेरा तो राष्ट्र के नाम जाएगा।
जनता पार्टी जिंदाबाद। सभी दल के सभी नेता एक समान हैं।
हम सबका वोट माननीय राजनाथ जी को जाएगा, क्योंकि पिछले 10 वर्षों में उन्हीं ने जो करके दिखाया, मेरे हिसाब से किसी नेता ने नहीं।
क्या लखनऊ की लड़ाई बीजेपी सपा की नहीं, बल्कि आप लोग केवल राजनाथ सिंह के नाम पर वोट कर रहे हैं?
राजनाथ जी के नाम पे, राजनाथ जी के नाम पे,
दल के नाम पर,
दल के नाम पे।
उनका विकास ही इतना अच्छा है कि उनको मतलब सारे लोग पसंद करते हैं।
लड़ाई वहाँ पर होती है।
राजनाथ जी को जितना पसंद करते हैं उतना लखनऊ में कोई किसी और को पसंद नहीं
You
करता।
can just hear there are some leaders like Rajnath Singh, as we had Atal Bihari Vajpayee. That's what the people from the Muslim community saying, that they are not voting in the name of party when it comes to Lucknow. They are voting on the face of Rajnath Singh because he has done a lot, not just for Hindus but also for Muslims.
Very
and each and
interesting,
every
because
community that-
you know, anyone who thinks if there's a community-specific vote going possibly for Rajnath Singh, there were these young Muslim voters who said he has changed Lucknow, specifically the Purana Lucknow city area, and that it's for the nation that they are voting for the country, and for those who have worked for Lucknow. So perhaps is that Muslim vote also going toward BJP? That could be a crucial deciding factor. Thank you very much to Samar Srivastava, Abhishek Mishra for tracking all the latest from Uttar Pradesh.